ngamuderia ni ndahayaga muno the first few days ndahayaga agenjira ni uguthiongo menyere now my dad already nyabiriye kuigira in the we can say that's the third stage of alcoholism
papa wanyu
my dad so rudonaga oru wa kuhe mwana njohi nawe kindu giothe uraheo ni baba wanyu ndungina gikio kindu uraheo ni muciari or a person you trust or any significant other yuko natiriri agikura ni maranyona ni marahere that means gutiri hindi magenda kindu giguthukia so my dad that General Gandu Girls in 1977 is the same year my father akwire in a road accident.
He passed on
yeah akwire in a road accident ari omuriu tondu manyuite blue post I think until about 5 in the morning and then agiciria ati handu habe ainuke akome agiciria ngie gicagi akone shosho so githe ndwamenya ruore mundu maciria moka goro rimwe we muri you do crazy stuff so ira ngari akirora ya Murang'a ru ndakinyire Kabati he was involved in a road accident na pass
They show you high school
the high school and then now I was my dad nitwa to get very very close and ndathireke giro cukuru tuka tugithika my dad na gicokio cukuru nobody gave me time to mourn my father
kuhinga na kumuni
ona mgotire mundu anga ndio na nijeraga ciari tiga igwiciria ati mundu tondu ni munini ati mundu a parent or a significant other akua that doesn't affect that child.
Are there feelings?
Yes, because it again depends on the relationship you had with that person. When na with my mother, not to treat that relationship. Because like now me and my mom tutigwa na kawega muno. Tutigwa na kawega muno ni mami gutida kejira te oyo tiga. Tigo kwero tiga ta gukwira ucenjio na pe oga oyo muhio curu oga uwikia no. But mom we ni joha and then on top of that I'm a child. So what we do as parents, to hit their firstborn because we make them parent their siblings. They never have time to be children. And they can't have times. They making had to carry rebellious, especially magi naka freedom kidogo. Anako olera how no mwaga sio musi.
Naka. Kile ni wale nagasa kwa diboni.
Ona tiko ngwana kwena gani no uramuto matuma.
Yes. We talking na wewe watu weja. Ngama gani? Newe ndira ka. Shesheni hakuwe nawe.